Come test drive the 2020 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, compass, power windows, fog lights, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.